Once upon a time, in classrooms around the world, language learners sat quietly, memorizing grammar rules and translating long texts. Teachers believed that if students knew all the grammar, they would speak fluently. But something was missing. Despite all the rules and drills, students couldn't hold a simple conversation in real life. They knew how the language worked but didn't know how to use ET. That's when a group of thinkers and teachers began to ask a new question. What if we teach students to communicate, not just repeat? Inspired by linguists like Noam Chomsky and Dell Hymes, they created a new path, the communicative approach. In this new classroom, students didn't just listen, they talked, played games, solved problems, and worked in groups. Mistakes were okay, because speaking and interacting mattered more than perfect grammar. The teacher became a guide, helping students use the language in real situations. Classrooms came alive with role plays, interviews, and storytelling. Learning became fun, meaningful, and practical. Though challenges remained, this new approach spread across the world, reminding everyone that language is not just rules, it's a tool for connection. And that's how the communicative approach transformed language learning from silent memorization to joyful communication.